I want to share one of the useful tips with you. You may encounter a problem that you have to create a multiple folders at a time. In that way, you need to use a VBA macro or any other coding language. But there is already a functionality that you can create a multiple folders, even 1,000 folders at a time without using any coding language or macro or anything. So what we have to do? I'll just guide you how to create multiple folder with one click. For that, we need to create a format first. So if you see, I have to create 30 folder. I'll go in B column. I'll type MD, that is make directory, in double quote, the city name. Right now it is Agra. I will press Ctrl down, select the B column and use flash fill. So if you don't know the flash fill, please refer our flash fill videos. So select the data, copy, create new notepad file, paste the data, save as this file where you want to create multiple folders. So right now I have this path. I will save this file with create folder, but do not save this file with .txt. Just enter .bat, that is batch file. I will save it. I'll go on path. On path, I can see there is a new batch file has been created. I will double click on this file. And when I double click, folders will be created. We have taken example only for 30 folders, but you can create a folders more than 1,000 at a time without using any coding language. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Subscribe our channel for this kind of tip in future. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.